Video na. Oh, sayaw na kayo, sayaw, sayaw. Okay na. Oh, kita po, gini Papa, oh. Huwag gagalawin, ha. Ay, naku, cellphone ko. Masira. Kasi pogi kong baby, nasa? Ah, yung pwede ko na yung pogi kong baby. Oh, pogi.
Enjoy! Baby ko! Apa? Patang! Patang!
Sayaw, sayaw, sayaw. Sayaw. Oh, ganda!
Sigma B for Milagros and Casey Concepcion for Parisha. Yes, well, that's how you really work the stage, Billy. No wonder, meron talagang kakaibang dating yung bawat style nilang lahat. Ano? Si Luis, si Casey, si Sam, showcasing their unique and different personalities. Perfect. You know, Luis,
Yun na kayo, huwag ka na nabigyan.
also, not just that, you're now the brand ambassador of SM Store Salvatore Man. Eto, kailangan mo ikwento
Ano
sa
lang yan,
amin.
14,000 yan. Nako! Ungawangan! Nasira nyo na yung tablet.
Simple lang ang sagot. The man for Salvatore Man is someone who is a true
Hindi
gentleman.
ordinary tablet siya.
Siyempre, alam na natin yun. At siyempre, dapat
2 years
more
pa babayaran
simple
yan.
yung tunay na gentleman. That is why Salvatore Man has everything you need, from casual to more formal shoes. The brand also carries bags which are modern yet timeless in design na pwedeng gamitin sa trabaho, sa gimmick, o kaya sa iba pang special events. And pinaka-exciting nito is while you have you get yourself these unbelievable quality items, it's very, very affordable. Oh, okay. Very affordable. That's very important, ha? Kailangan maging practical tayo nowadays. But I'd like to also ask Sam, what does it take naman to be a Milanos man?
Iwan yung isang
Para sa akin,
tablet ko.
Donnie, to be a Milanos guy, it's
Siya,
just being edgy and experimental, you know, kaya naman aside from the usual and basic styles that Milanos shoes has to offer, meron din silang trendier pieces, so kumbaga yung mga pinakausong designs ngayon, which truly make their own statement. So guys out there, if you want to have your own look cool while being different, Milanos shoes definitely has the shoes for you.
Now let's ask Casey naman. Casey, paano maging isang Parisian woman?
Feel ko to eh. Kanina ko pinapakita yung blue shoes. Okay, sa mga fashionistas, yung fashionistas dito, mga fashionistas na katulad ko, di ba katulad ng lahat, lagi tayong naghahanap ng something fresh at